Look at me, I'm a big truck driver. Hey, oh shoot. Okay. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Mendoza Monday. Today we're going to be talking about Hydrovac maintenance. I get piles of questions and concerns about what oil, how often we change T-case oil, pump oil, blowers, you name it. We'll be discussing it today. Okay, first we're going to start with the Interpump 1750 and T2040. Okay, what oils do they take? They take an ISO 100. Again, that's an ISO 100 oil. Now, oils should be changed every 500 hours. And when you're replacing the oil, make sure you only fill it up halfway up the sight glass, or just check the dipstick, which is located on top of the pump. Give me a second here. Come on. There we go. All right, here we are with Blake Groves, senior mechanic here at Summit. He's going to help us explain in detail how to do oil changes on some of these cat pumps, interpumps, blowers, T-cases. So Blake, welcome.
Well, thank you.
All right, here we are with the Cat 3560 wash pump. Blake, okay, go ahead. What type of oil do we use in this?
So with these, we use compressor oil 68. There's two sight glasses on it that you can check. There's one right at the very back. This one's got a nice handy mirror on it. The other one is just on the left side, lower of the, right here, off the case itself. The oil will be about 2.5 liters, and you're going to want to do it every 500 hours. That's what we do.
Perfect. All right, we're going to be talking about blowers next. Blake, why don't you tell us little tips on how much oil usually fill these blowers? While it's here, give us some tips of how you could tell how full you are, or any tips at all.
So this one's a Robushi 145. It'll have 4 sight glasses on it, 2 on the drive side and 2 on the driven side back here. You're going to want your oil level to be halfway on that sight glass, on the front side and the back side. And all the blowers are a little bit different. Usually they're between about 4 to 6 liters of EP220, preferably synthetic. It's going to be 500 hours as well in intervals.
All right, Blake, here we have a KT28 wash pump. Now, can you tell me what oil we have, how to fill them, how full do we usually put them up to, and also how many hours do we change?
All right, so right off the bat, same with everything, about 500 hours. This is a KT28X series, a new head. We're going to do about 2 liters of EP220, again, preferably synthetic. And it's got a sight glass right on the left side, directly opposite of where the shaft is.
All right, if you like what you see, give us a shout here at Summit Truck Equipment Canada. We're on Instagram and Facebook. Special thanks to Blake for giving us the tips and tricks to make your Hydrovac last a lot longer. Anyways, happy Monday. Let's make this uncomfortable.
So hold up, what are we doing here?
Okay, I'm just introducing you.
Yeah, hi.
To the test. I blocked that. Don't use that. Don't use that.
Don't use that.
Don't use that. Okay, ready? One more time. So we're going to go into the shop and we are going to... What are you doing?